Visibietas programas y por favor,
Madison, I'll be your captain and storyteller aboard the Merryweather. For your safety, please remain seated with all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please keep an eye on all of our little ones so our story doesn't have any unexpected turns. For here, our tale begins with Monstro the Whale. You might look a little scary, but I don't want you to worry. We'll be at the end of this tale before you know it. The three little pigs are safe and sound in their houses of straw, stick, and the ever so practical wolf-proof brick. Alice met the white rabbit and chased him down, down, down into Wonderland. But things only get curiouser and curiouser from here. In London Park, Peter Pan met the darling children and took them all on to Neverland and straight on till morning. In Agrabah, Princess Jasmine met Aladdin. He stole a loaf of bread, an apple, and her heart. The two fell in love with no magic spells required. These arches are the very same ones that Aladdin and Jasmine stored all her sideways and under on their magic carpet ride to a whole new world. A whole new world awaits us in the kingdom of wonder. Let's all go inside and make a wish. Snow White fled the evil queen in search for safety. They offered her shelter and thanks for her kindness. Cinderella wished to go to the ball where her fairy godmother granted her that wish. When the clock struck midnight, the magic might have worn off, but the love did not. On our left page is the patchwork quilt inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony cartoon Lullaby Land. Where some people dreamed on a bed of flowers, there was one who dreamed in a tall, tall tower. Rapunzel dreamed to see the floating lights that arrived each year on her birthday. With the help of Flynn Rider, she accomplished that dream and gained a new one for the two of them. Jay Thaddeus Toad should have been back at Toad Hall, but I bet he's off on another wild ride to nowhere in particular. In Arendelle, Elsa built a nice palace for one, and Anna did not let it go. These two soon learned the family love by even the harshest snowstorms. In the Alpine village, Geppetto wished for his papa to become a real boy, and the blue fairy granted that wish. was a little mermaid named Ariel who was fit to swim and ready to stand. As her castle on the right, she was part of our world. But her story started in that land, because you see on the left, under that waterfall. As we approach the dock, please remain seated with all hands, arms, and fingers inside the boat. Once again, please stay seated until I count to 3.